Some of the people's trains have already been deployed to some areas in Pretoria, the majority of them in Mabopane. The Gibela Consortium was born out of a partnership between French rail company Alstom and Ubumbano Rail. It was contracted to manufacture 600 new trains for PRASA in its quest to rebuild passenger rail infrastructure. The company says it hopes to complete the 600 trains order by 2030.
It's an important milestone in what we have invested in this factory in terms of building a new rolling stock in our country, and we have named this train Isitimela Sabantu, the people's train. So we are at train set number 100. Train set number 100 we should have reached by 2020, but 5 months layoff because of COVID affected us.
PRASA says while security measures are an important part of the infrastructure renewal program, there are calls for communities to also protect the infrastructure and not allow vandals to destroy it.
It's boots on the ground, number one. Number two, we identify hotspots areas that are prone to encroachment and all the thieves and vandalists. We're going to cordon them off. In certain cases, including concrete walls that are 4 meters high, complemented by technology as a force multiplier. But the strategy broadly has got an in-source component and an outsource component, which brings external companies. As you know, you may have heard that we've introduced 3,100 boots on the ground to complement our numbers. We're now going out and contracting external companies that are bringing even their own technologies.
Gibela says it experienced several delays in the delivery of the trains because of the COVID-19 pandemic and the global supply chain disruptions.
In the short period where it's been exacerbated, as you are saying, by the COVID impact, all supply chains are interrupted. You are correct. The OEMs in cars, in automotive sector are also equally affected. I think the impact of COVID has had a much bigger impact in terms of supply of material. The war that is currently happening, raging in Europe, affects that as well. And so we are in for every challenge you can imagine, in particular in the last couple of years, in the last 2 years. But we've had to soldier on and push and make plans with the support of all our stakeholders, including our shareholders in Ubumbano and Alstom. But we have a target to achieve, and we are moving forward, and with the support of PRASA.
Gibela says with the investments it has made in the factory in Ekurhuleni, it hopes to take on more local and international clients. Gloria Sifakomusi, SABC News, Nigel.